Hi, it's me. Hi, it's me, and I am alive. And this is my it's almond juice. Oh gosh. With ice. Hot, hot, hot. Today is hot. Another unboxing. Imagine I was on the Instagram and I saw this fantastic giveaway, and I was thinking, why not? Let me do it, let me try it. And guess what? I won the giveaway. And now we have the prize of the giveaway. And oh, so bright. As always, I will post the links down below. And welcome to, yay! They are really, really good. They have amazing plants. Thank you for participating and enjoy this little beauty. There is also a little extra surprise. For more amazing plants, visit www.instagram.com/Prikcacti. So thank you so much, and I am really pleased and happy that I could be a part of it. So I will show you the price. Let me see. And normally I never do that, but the giveaways, because I know people are mad and there is so many people, so I practically never win or anything. But the DHL, they actually, I don't know, they may have lost the parcel or something, because it took 1 week for them to even post it out from Netherlands. And this beauty was green, and now it's in let me see if I can, in a dormant state, I think, which will be normal anyway, but it has beautiful codex. Oh, this is so pretty. Don't you think it's pretty? Oh gosh, I think it's amazing. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of this amazing journey. And we have a little extra. Let me see. Oh, it's a little cutting of Astropytum. I have the name. I will insert the name here while I edit. I love Astropytum. This one is amazing. Oh, thank you so much. I do love Astropytum. And yeah, so that was it. And I really did enjoy. Go check it out, Prikcacti on Instagram. They do have amazing plants also. But yeah, and you know, give it a like, show some love. Isn't it all about love? Or I think it's love. If you haven't already, subscribe, press that button or that button. You know, all reactions are good reactions, so I would love to hear reactions. I also have difficulties with answering the comments on my YouTube. YouTube won't allow me to click on the YouTube beta YouTube beta site, so I'm most often kicked out, so it's difficult for me to answer all the comments, but maybe I will do a video with answering all the comments and reading all the comments. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, I see you soon. Bye. Oh no.